Welcome to Canvas for Admins. My name is Heather Klinger, and I'm a personalized digital learning specialist. This interactive screencast is going to provide you an overview of the features of Canvas Admin and how to utilize those tools to support and monitor remote learning in your buildings.
My name is Aubrey Harrison. I'm a digital innovation specialist. For this session, you are going to need to be logged into Canvas. Periodically, we're going to be asking you to pause so that you can practice what we've just modeled for you. You'll know that it's time to pause when you see the pause button at the bottom. All right, it's time to dig in and let's get ready to practice. To begin, we will talk about how you can access Canvas. To log into Canvas, you will go to my.ncedcloud.org and you will log in with your 10-digit state employee ID number. Once you have logged in, you will select the red Canvas option, and that will bring you to our CMS instance of Canvas. You can also go to Canvas by going to cms.instructure.com, select Login with Google, and that will also take you directly to your Canvas account. Canvas has multiple navigation bars that you can use. The Canvas navigation bar shown on the left has global settings that can impact your Canvas account. The course navigation options shown on the right are available inside a course. Changes made in this section will impact just the course that you are currently in. Canvas support options can also be located in your Canvas navigation menu, clicking the Help button. When you click the Help button, you will get options to search Canvas guides, where you can learn more about the features inside of Canvas on your own through video or through PDFs. They also have options to communicate with Canvas representatives using their hotline support, or you can use the live chat option. Individuals with account admin or sub-account admin access will have this admin button on their Canvas navigation menu. This, when you select it, will display all of the accounts and sub-accounts that you have access to. Now we want to talk about some of the capabilities you now have as an administrator. In your admin section of Canvas, you will have the ability to do things such as add announcements, global announcements that can go out to all members in your account and all courses, and you can also add additional administrators in your account. If you scroll to the bottom in your admin course menu, you have an option that says Settings. When you select Settings, you will get several tabs open up, one of which says Announcements. You can click this Add New Announcement button and create a new announcement that can go out to all members in your course. We do recommend that you be purposeful about your announcements that you post and the frequency that you post. It is also important to note that only the account admin, oftentimes the principal, has the ability to send global announcements. People or individuals who have been added as sub-account admins will not have this capability. Another feature that you have as an administrator, you can add additional administrators or account or school admins into your Canvas account. So right next to announcements, you have admin. You can select admin. You'll see a list of all the administrators that you have for your school account. To remove an administrator, you can click the X to remove that person. To add a brand new administrator, you can scroll down to the bottom, click the Add Account Admins button. You can provide them the proper role, and then you can put the email address of the individuals that you want to add as a school or sub-account admin. With administrative rights in Canvas, you can also search for all the teachers and all the courses that are in your account. If we scroll to the top of our navigation menu, we have an option that says Courses. When you select courses, this gives us the ability to begin our search. You can search by term, you can search by course or by teacher, and then you can do your filter search by typing in additional details here. So if I wanted to search for a course, I could type in something here and it will find that name and look for that search or look for those courses that have this keyword inside of it, and then I'd be able to navigate to that course. Doing the search allows me to see courses that have been published, the teacher of the course, the number of students in the course, and it also gives me options over here, including course statistics. Under course statistics, I can see running totals of all activity in the course, including discussions and assignments. There also is an assignments tab here where I can see the types of assignments that have been required for this assignment and the number of submissions. There's also a student tab for me to see all the students that are in this course as well. At this time, we want to give you the opportunity to pause the video and explore the course statistics for your account. There is also course analytics available to administrators within this portal as well. Account analytics show data for all course activity in your account, including an overview of the number of courses and users and the activity types with which the users are engaged. To access these analytics, in our navigation menu towards the bottom, I'm going to scroll down at my navigation menu and choose Analytics. By default, the analytics will show the default term. To view analytics from a different term, we're going to click either the next or the previous buttons, or we can select this drop down here to select a different term. For each term, analytics will include an overview of the courses, the teachers, number of students, assignments, discussion topics, files uploaded, and media recordings. The activity by date graph will show all account activity for all users enrolled in a course for the term. The view activity by category graph shows all activity in the account by feature category. The grade distribution graph shows the distribution of current course grades for all enrolled students. At this time, we want to give you opportunity to press pause and play with that analytics button and check out the numbers for your school account. In addition to analytics, account level admins have access to Canvas reports that can review account data. To access these reports, and in my navigation menu, I'm going to choose Settings, and I'm going to select the tab that says Reports. Here on this reports page, you will see all available reports. Each report includes the name of the report, a help icon that explains more about the report. You can also view the last time the report was run. Most reports must be configured before they can run. To configure a report, you're going to select the Configure button. Depending on the report, configuration options will vary.
When visiting a teacher's course, there are a few specific components to pay attention to. Home, announcements, modules, pages, assignments, discussions, and quizzes are where you will find the content of what teachers are sharing with students, as well as gain an understanding of how the teacher is interacting with students. You can click on any of these sections within the course navigation toolbar to explore what teachers have published for their students. This is an example of what a teacher gradebook on Canvas looks like. Assignment titles run along the top of the gradebook. You are able to click the assignment name to view details. For example, when I click on the assignment, Gravity Interactions, I am able to see details of what students are asked to do.
When assignments are graded, there will be a check mark, number, letter, or percentage grade in the box. If something is not graded, you will see the assignment icon, and if there is no submission, you will see a dash. Lastly, when feedback has been provided by the teacher and requires the student to revise their work, you will see a black X. This is represented as an incomplete grade. When a student revises their work, the assignment icon will turn green. It's now time to pause this video so you have an opportunity to practice looking at a particular teacher's course content and the gradebook. As an admin, you have the ability to look at detailed student information for each course. When you click on People in the Course Navigation toolbar, you have the ability to see when students last logged into the course. By clicking the three dots to the right side of your screen, you can see individual student analytics. Inside of the individual student analytics report, you can see a few things. First, activity by date. If you put your cursor over the bars on the graph, you are able to see student participation and page views by a range of a week. Second, you can see communication between the instructor and student. Lastly, submissions. If you put your cursor over the different points of the graph, you are able to see the assignment or quiz name, due date, submitted date, and score. I especially like this report because it provides you with a pattern of the student's work over time. It's now time to pause this video so you have an opportunity to practice looking at individual student analytics inside the teacher's course you have selected. In order to provide feedback to teachers after visiting their course, you can use the inbox feature located on your Canvas navigation toolbar. To begin, type the teacher's name in the To box. Then include a subject line. Lastly, you have the ability in this box to compose your message. In the bottom left-hand corner, you have some options to attach documents or record an oral response. When you are finished, press the Send button. The teacher will then receive a green notification in their inbox that notifies them of a new message. Depending on their notification settings, they might also get an email. It's now time to pause this video so you have an opportunity to practice sending a message to a teacher using the inbox. Thank you so much for joining us to learn the many things you can do as a Canvas admin. If you have any questions or need additional support, please fill out the Google form using the bit.ly code on your screen.